My name is Sara. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Hockmeyer Equipment Corporation. Well, I found Lform when I first started my new job. I was doing a lot of research looking for a company that could support my marketing efforts, and I found out that my predecessor on the job had done some work with Lform. However, before I had a chance to reach out to Lform, they found out that there had been a change in guard at my company, and they actually reached out to me, so they found me. I chose Lform as my marketing partner because of the personal touch. I wanted to work with a local company that I could have face-to-face meetings, that could perhaps visit my company and see what we do and really understand our culture and the way that we want to be portrayed. And they took the time to get to know us, understand our product, and the questions they asked me during the period of time we were getting to know each other were much more personal than the questions and the discussions I had with any other firm. My experience with Lform has been extremely positive. They have been critical in our marketing strategies, devising programs, the image, creating a complete new image for our company. And my experience, it couldn't have been better. I've been very pleased, very pleased. Lform has helped me present my company in a different way than how the company used to be presented in the past. And they've been able to do that by really getting to know us, by really understanding our culture, understanding our product, how our product is different from the competition, and by really immersing themselves into our product offerings and helping me create strategies to go to market in the best possible way. One specific example about how Lform has helped my company succeed was teaching me the importance of search engine optimization, SEO. I was completely uneducated in the subject previous to this job and previous to finding Lform, or like I said, Lform finding me. And they took the time to educate me on the subject and to teach me the importance of it, distinguish itself, and be at the top of anyone searching online. And we delved into it. We developed strategies for optimizing, and they worked. Well, interesting question that you asked me about SEO, because before my experience with Lform, I was totally uneducated on the subject, and I didn't realize how important it was in this digital age. So working with Lform, they took the time to educate me about what it's like, how it works, what strategies we can implement. And in the years that we've been together, I have seen our ranking grow tremendously. And as a result of that, the number of web inquiries that we receive has really, really increased year over year as our SEO has optimized year over year. So it has really been the #1 generator of leads. They're very professional. I am not very good at giving fast feedback. I tend to take my time and rethink, and then by the time I go back with the feedback, I need them to give me a revision immediately. However, they're very accommodating, very flexible, and I'm lucky to work with them. I would definitely recommend Lform to other businesses. I've actually already done so. Their approach to marketing business to business, they've taught me, they've helped me develop strategies. They have criticized my work, and I've appreciated it because it's been giving me an opportunity to pivot and change and make it better. So it's been a real collaboration, and I will definitely recommend them to anybody.